Support CGT, give us a subscribe. Hello all, Viking Bart here, and in this new piece of surrounding we'll be filming a lot more talk videos and others. Now here on the channel, if you're already subscribed, you know we talk about tech, news, we review gadgets, and we tell you how to make money. Active income, passive income, normal money, digital money, or just vouchers. And today we're just going to have a sneak peek at this. This is the Bobcat Miner 300. We'll just do a little bit of unboxing, and I'll also explain to those who don't know what this is, what it does. So, as we open the box, we see the device itself, which I'll come back to straight away. We see an antenna and a solid mount. The antenna is this little thing. Just easy, take off the rubbers, screw it on, and that's it. And of course the charger. Since I live in Europe, I have a EU charger. When ordering this device, make sure you click on the right charger you need, of course. And some metal pieces to mount it to the wall if you want to. Now the device itself is quite light. There's a LED on the front which will indicate when it's on, when Bluetooth is active, or when there's an error. On the back you have the connector for the antenna, the reset button. Don't worry, there's this little device to help you with that. Access for a TF card, a communication which is actually a USB port, an Ethernet cable, but this one has Wi-Fi of course, and the power socket hole. Now interestingly, I'm going to show you the box. Funny thing is, the guide is printed in the box. Also do's and don'ts, which I find awesome because it saves paper, and most of us don't throw away the box, so it's easy to find the manual when you're not keeping it inside. Now this device, what is it? What does it do? Well, it's a helium hotspot. Now it won't create the gas called helium. No, it will create a cryptocurrency called helium. These helium hotspots, this is I think the second or third generation, I have the first one as well, are being placed all over the world by normal people like us or companies. Now what does it do? It creates a global network, a global communication network that companies can use. They can place a vending machine outside and have it connected to a helium hotspot to let them know when they need to empty it, when they need to fill it up and stuff like that. But also post office devices, post office people. They drive by, the company owner can see from, oh, I have one of my people in that area. It's a lot cheaper than using normal network. It's actually a people's network. Power to the people, as they would say, right? So it creates a private network which companies can rent for a very small price, and they pay the price in Helium tokens, which is a cryptocurrency which is traded on more and more platforms. By having this device, just turning it on, they create a whole area that is yours. And Helium will pay you a little bit of Helium tokens for having the device on and active. Now there can be other devices in your area, and you will link up with them. By linking up, you confirm this area is ready to be used, and I will give you a bonus. When a company passes by or places some machines or something like that in your area, you also get paid a little bit for the data that they transfer. Now, in terms of power usage, it's very low. It's like having a cell phone just charging in the cable, so power is low, which is excellent. Now, how much money can you make with it? Well, with the first device, which had a smaller area, I made the first year about 2,000 euro. The device itself costed for 550 euro, which is the same for this one. So it's a great investment. Now, can you make that much again? Well, yes and no. Some will earn less, some will earn 2 times, 3 times as much. It depends on how many hotspots there are in your area, if there are a lot of companies that use the network. I've seen people make $8,000 in 1 year with a device like this, which is awesome. You just put it there, it's passive income. You don't need to worry about it. Now I have to say, this Bobcat miner, there's a huge demand for it, and there's still some chip shortages and stuff like that. I had to wait like 8 months before it was delivered, which is ridiculously long, but yeah, okay, it happens, huh? It's not as bad as ordering a car, which will you have to wait 2 years. But okay, we got the device. Now we can upgrade our network. Now for those of you who are thinking, what if I place a lot of these devices in my home? I can become rich. Well, no, you need at least about 200 to 300 meters between devices to really have extra profit. So you might get some bad luck and have your neighbor next door placing a device like that. Your profit will drop hugely. So this is very good in areas where there are not many people, rural areas. You can really make some money with it, or just areas where people do not know about this device. I know I was the first one in my area, and right now the whole city has like 45 active Helium hotspots. Most of them bought it because of my videos, which is awesome. So if you want to make money, subscribe to the channel, and that's it. If you have any questions about the Bobcat Miner 300 or mining Helium and stuff, just ask. We'll reply as soon as we can. That's it for today. See you next time.